What's up guys, it's Colin with Kill Mode, and today I have the pleasure of introducing my new E46. Let me give you a walk around and show you some of the quirks and features. That was Doug DeMuro's spot. Damn it. So starting at the front here, obviously this is not an M3, but it's been converted to an Alibaba M3, and more on that later. Come on in. The first quirk that's notable is that dent right there. It's not an E46 if it doesn't have a dent. The rest of the front just needs to be repainted and replaced. I don't know. Obviously we have hella flush fitment, bro. Looks like it's been cutting into the tire. That's exactly how you want it. The other features in this area would be the clear coat that is Bluetooth in some areas. It has left the stratosphere. Yeah. Come on. We have authentic replica M3 mirrors. They're pretty sick, bro. Not gonna lie, I actually do like them, other than the huge inconvenience of not being able to see where you're going. So the back is where it gets interesting. If you have a keen eye for E46s, you notice something right off the bat, but I'm gonna point it out for you. This rear bumper and these side skirts actually denote that this car is a factory aerodynamics package car. Super rare. That's about the only redeeming factor of this car, but I love it. So it also has this beautiful CSL replica from eBay Racing, I'm sure. It was nicely self-tapered into the trunk. I'm regretting buying this the more I talk. We have exhaust here that is off of a 2JZ car. It actually sounds good. I'll put in a clip of that right now. Sounds good. Let's take a look at the interior. So, before we go in, let me tell you, this is a tandem rock car. Again, rare. LOL. Anyways, so tandem rod sport seats. It's in less than perfect condition, and yeah, it's got AC Schnitzer pedals, a short shifter, a crazy handbrake looking thing. Doesn't actually work. Aside from that, it's stock. Pan to the headliner. That is hella mint. Okay, enough shaming. We have Harman Kardon. Let's go to my favorite feature, actually. I forgot my favorite. So my favorite feature on the E46, I don't know if they all have that or if mine's special, but this right here. That is the coolest thing ever. You missed it. You hang on, we're doing it again. Do it again. See that? It's powered. That's luxury. So an actual feature of this car. That was not elegant whatsoever. It has all of its tools. Yeah, bet your E46 doesn't have. Oh fuck, it's missing the tow hook. Bitch! So why would somebody buy a piece of crap E46? It's not what it seems. So this car is, of course, powered by the M54 B25, but it does have a ZF 5-speed transmission, so that's a pro. It right now has a welded differential, which it was set up to be a drift car. My plans for this car are to turn it into a track/drift car thing that is just fun to beat on and is kind of guilt-free. As some of you know, if you've seen my channel or you just know me, I have the M4, but abusing that car or driving it on track is exponentially more expensive and a lot higher risk if I were to wad it up into a wall. And so I bought this to kind of slot into the place of a car that I can have fun in and not have to worry about, basically. I hope you guys enjoyed that video of my newly acquired E46. I do plan on making more videos as I fix the existing problems and create new ones. That's just a quick walk around of the car. Expect more videos in the future. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you want to, I don't really care. That's Methany, E46.